Police chasing the big bad wolf. Let's go! Sister, it's so foggy. I think we should go home.
No, I want to keep riding.
Sister, wait!
Phew.
Ha! Nobody can see what I'm doing. I love foggy days.
I'm so sorry. It's Wolf!
Stop right there. Hey,
Help me!
I got you. You're coming with me.
Sister! 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 Somebody help!
Little monkey, what's going on?
Sheriff Labrador! Somebody took my sister!
Huh? Which way did they go?
That way!
Don't worry. Let's go. Oh, the road splits here.
Sister, where are you?
Watch out!
What was that? What was that?
And what's that?
And what's that? Oh,
Are you guys okay?
we're fine. I can't see well on foggy days. Can't see well. I saw Wolf riding a little bike with a child behind him. It looked very dangerous. It looked very dangerous. We shouldn't have come out on a day like this. Right. We shouldn't have come out.
Wait, did you say you saw Wolf?
Yes, over there.
Let's go.
Uh-huh.
Let's go, Big Wolf. Let's go, Big Wolf. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Be quiet. The police mustn't hear you.
Hey, Wolf! Stop right there.
Oh no, the police!
Stop! Hey!
Hey, hey!
Oh no! Stop!
Wolf! Don't worry, you're safe.
Nobody can run away from me! Hey! Huh?
Help! Help! Somebody help me! I hate foggy days.
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, it's hard to see ahead of you on foggy days. That means traffic accidents can happen easily. Also, it's usually dusty on foggy days. Please stay indoors on foggy days for your safety and your health. Please remember these tips.
1.